Are you looking to set up commission structures on PartnerStack and maximize your affiliate and partner management? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up commission structures on PartnerStack in just a few easy steps, so you can get your partner programs up and running fast. Whether you're new to PartnerStack or simply need a quick refresher, this guide is for you. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try out PartnerStack for free using the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. Stick around until the end, and I'll tell you how you can get an extended free trial that most people don't know about. Now let's jump into the process. When you first log into PartnerStack, navigate to the Programs tab in the dashboard. If you're setting up a new program, click Create Program and follow the prompts. But if you want to modify the commission structure of an existing program, click on the program name, then go to the Commissions tab within the program's settings. Now you're ready to set up your commission structure. PartnerStack makes it simple to structure your commissions based on the type of program you're running, whether it's a SaaS product, physical product, or a service. First, choose whether you want to set a flat rate, percentage, or tiered commission structure. A flat rate means you pay a fixed amount per successful referral, regardless of the sale price. This is great if you're offering a set amount for each referral. If you're going for a percentage, this is calculated based on the total sale amount or subscription fee, which is typical for SaaS programs. Tiered commissions are a bit more complex and allow you to reward affiliates for hitting specific milestones. For example, you could reward affiliates with a higher commission once they hit a certain number of referrals in a month. This is perfect for incentivizing your top performers and motivating others. Once you choose your structure, you can also set up recurring commissions. If you're running a subscription-based service, you'll want to enable recurring commissions to keep paying your affiliates for as long as their referred customers stay subscribed. PartnerStack lets you customize how long the recurring payments last, whether it's 1 month, 6 months, or even lifetime. Next, you'll want to define commission rates for different roles in your program. For example, you might have different rates for direct partners and referral partners. It's crucial to balance these rates so that they align with your overall business strategy. After setting the rates, don't forget to specify any bonus structures or one-time payouts for special achievements or specific actions. For instance, if a partner brings in a high-value client, you might want to set up a special bonus payout. One cool feature with PartnerStack is its flexibility in setting commission rules based on geographic location or other partner attributes. This way, you can ensure that your commission structure is fair and incentivizes the right behaviors from your global network of partners. Finally, always double-check the terms before saving your changes. Be sure that everything is set to your liking, as commissions are crucial to maintaining healthy partnerships. If you're unsure, take advantage of the support features PartnerStack offers to help guide you through more complex setups. So now you know how to set up commission structures on PartnerStack. It's an easy process, but crucial to driving success with your partner network. Don't forget, you can get an exclusive extended free trial of PartnerStack by clicking the link below. This will give you extra time to test out all the features I just covered and see how they work for your business. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the next video for more insights on getting the most out of PartnerStack and growing your affiliate programs.